Tom, I spy with my little eye something beginning with C.
Hmm. Is it the clock?
No.
Is it the cup?
Yes, you got it.
I love this game.
Me too. And that's our topic today.
Perfect.
Today we're talking about word games in English.
Fun ways to practice English.
Without needing to write much.
Just speaking and thinking.
These games make learning fun.
Let's begin. So, Lucy, why are word games good for learning?
Excellent question.
Tell me.
Word games make practice feel like play.
Not like studying.
Exactly. You learn without realizing it.
Your brain works naturally,
You think in English.
not translating.
That's so important.
And you can play anywhere.
In the car, on the bus, at home.
No materials needed.
Just your brain and your voice.
So let's share some great games.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's start with I Spy.
We just played this.
How does it work?
One person looks around the room.
Okay.
They choose an object.
Yes?
Then they say, I spy with my little eye something beginning with, and say the first letter.
Like C for cup.
Exactly, the other person guesses.
This game is perfect for beginners.
You learn vocabulary naturally.
And you practice the alphabet.
My student Aisha from Saudi Arabia loved this game.
Tell me about Aisha.
She played it with her host family in Brighton.
Nice.
At first, she only knew basic words.
Like what?
Table, chair, door, window.
Simple objects.
But after playing for 2 weeks,
What happened?
she learned cushion, ceiling, mirror, frame,
So many new words.
just from playing.
That's amazing.
Now let's talk about 20 questions.
I love this game.
How do we play?
One person thinks of something.
An object, animal, or person.
The other person asks yes, no questions.
Is it an animal?
Is it big?
Can you eat it?
You have 20 questions to guess.
This game teaches question formation,
So important.
and you learn to describe things.
Perfect for vocabulary building.
My student Chen from China plays this with his colleagues.
At work.
Yes, during lunch breaks.
That's fun.
Chen said it improved his question skills dramatically.
Work became a classroom.
Exactly.
What's another good game?
Word association.
This one is simple.
One person says a word.
Like cat,
The next person says a related word.
pet,
Then dog.
bone.
White.
You keep going.
Until someone can't think of a word.
This builds connections in your brain.
Exactly. Words link together naturally.
You learn word families.
And think faster in English.
I had a student called Diego from Mexico.
What happened with Diego?
He played this game on his commute to work.
By himself?
Yes, in his head.
Clever.
He'd start with a word like morning. Then think coffee, breakfast, toast, butter.
Creating word chains.
After 3 months, his vocabulary doubled.
Just from this simple game.
The power of daily practice.
Now let's talk about category game.
This is a classic,
Someone chooses a category.
like animals or food.
Then everyone takes turns naming something in that category.
Cat, dog, elephant, tiger.
You can't repeat words.
First person who can't think of a word loses.
This game is perfect for building vocabulary in specific areas.
You can choose any category.
Countries, colours, jobs, sports.
The possibilities are endless.
My student Priya from India plays this with her children.
That's wonderful.
They practice English together.
What categories do they use?
Fruits, vegetables, school subjects.
Learning as a family.
Her children's English improved too.
Everyone benefits.
Let's talk about rhyme time.
Fun game.
What's the rule?
One person says a word.
Like cat.
Everyone thinks of words that rhyme.
Bat, hat, mat, sat.
This helps with pronunciation.
You hear the sound patterns.
English spelling is tricky.
But rhyming helps you understand sounds.
Very true.
What about opposite game?
Excellent choice.
One person says a word.
The other says the opposite.
Hot, cold.
Big, small.
Happy, sad.
Fast, slow.
This teaches antonyms.
Adjectives and their opposites.
Essential vocabulary.
You can play this anywhere.
Waiting in a queue on a walk.
My student Kenji from Japan loves this game.
Does he play it often?
Every day while walking to the station.
Solo practice.
He thinks of a word and its opposite.
Then uses both in sentences.
Today is hot. Yesterday was cold.
Brilliant practice method.
Now let's talk about story building.
This is creative.
How does it work?
One person starts a story with one sentence.
Like once upon a time there was a cat.
The next person adds another sentence.
The cat lived in a big house.
Then the next person continues.
One day the cat found a key.
You build a story together.
This practices sentence structure.
And creativity.
You think on your feet.
Use different tenses.
Past, present, future.
Such a rich learning experience.
What about alphabet game?
Great for car journeys.
How do we play?
Choose a category.
Like food.
First person says a food beginning with A.
Apple.
Next person says one with B.
Banana.
Continue through the alphabet.
Carrot. Date. Egg.
All the way to Z.
This reviews the alphabet.
And builds category vocabulary.
Perfect for long trips.
My student Sophia from Italy played this on a road trip.
Did it make the journey better?
Much better. Time flew by.
And she learned so much
Over 50 new food words.
while having fun.
That's the magic of word games.
Let's talk about yes/no game.
This one is challenging.
What's the rule?
You can't say yes or no.
Someone asks you questions.
You must answer without saying those words.
Do you like pizza?
I love it, not yes.
Are you tired?
I feel great, not no.
This makes you think creatively.
Find different ways to express agreement.
Excellent for fluency.
You expand your responses.
Not just simple answers.
Real conversation practice.
One more game.
What is it?
Describe it.
Explain the rules.
One person thinks of an object.
They describe it without saying what it is.
It's round. It's orange. You can eat it. It's a fruit.
An orange.
Exactly.
This builds descriptive language.
Adjectives, colors, sizes.
So useful.
So everyone listening,
Try these games today.
play with friends, family, or alone.
Start with I spy. It's easiest.
Try 20 questions to practice questions.
Use word association on your commute.
Play category game at dinner.
Make learning fun.
Games remove the pressure.
You'll improve without realizing.
Your brain will thank you. Let's review the word games we shared.
Yes, let's remember them.
I spy. Guess objects by first letter.
I spy. Guess objects by first letter.
20 questions. Ask yes, no questions.
20 questions. Ask yes, no questions.
Word association. Link related words.
Word association. Link related words.
Category game. Name items in a category.
Category game. Name items in a category.
Rhyme time. Find words that rhyme.
Rhyme time. Find words that rhyme.
Opposite game, say antonyms.
Opposite game. Say antonyms.
Story building. Create stories together.
Story building. Create stories together.
Alphabet game. Go through A to Z.
Alphabet game. Go through A to Z.
These games make learning fun.
Play them every day. Great job today.
You did so well.
Choose one game to try this week.
Play it with a friend or family member.
Or practice alone.
Make English learning playful.
Games reduce stress and anxiety.
You'll learn naturally.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Have fun playing.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.